All right, guys, so this is going to sound pretty crazy, but AI Affiliate Suite actually works if you want to scale your affiliate marketing. And this is one of the things that I really like. I like the concept of little passive income sites that can create small amounts of affiliate income. And when you have affiliate income coming in, like it just comes in passively. Now I have this in some of my other accounts where, I have recurring income either from YouTube videos or from little sites, little niche sites that I've built where I create consistent monthly income. Okay. So what I like about this is Chris is actually, Darren Berger. I've used his products before, and what's really good about this is actually the guide map for how to use AI. One of the things that's happening is AI is moving really fast, and the people that are able to know how to use it the right way are going to be able to use this to create affiliate income. So I really like this idea. Okay, it hasn't launched yet, but I will have a link at the bottom of this video, and use that link in order to get it. So basically, what you can expect for it is saving time. I mean, that's the whole goal here, is to create time and still make Google happy. And there's a lot of misinformation about, and a lot of fear actually, about Google and AI. They already have their own AI chatbot, Bard, and their Bard chatbot does not even have the limitation of, with ChatGPT, where it only, really sources information from 2021 and before. So this can work in any topic niche. And this is great if you want to build affiliate income or if you want to draw leads. So let's say you have a certain product that that you sell and it's based around a niche. You can actually build a mini site, create this content automatically, because that's what takes the time. And then you can, have an opt-in box on your site. And Convertkit is really easy for that. One of the things I would recommend with this is you get a Convertkit account. There's actually a free account. I'll put a link below this video. But you can actually, in just one integration, on the bottom of all the blog posts, have your little call to action and opt-in. And you can do that even from the free Convertkit account. So it's really, really good. What I'm going to do is, if you get this through my link, I'll actually give you one hosting account that's going to be free for 90 days. Okay, so you can actually start this and be making an income before the payment comes in for the hosting. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So they're going to have some step-by-step training. Okay. And I think this is really big about the affiliate marketing. The different AI tools are really important. As I said, I'm going to take care of hosting. But yeah, you can actually use ChatGPT is great. A lot of people just don't know how to use it, and that's what's good about this course. You could try to figure it out, or you can follow a roadmap. And with how fast AI is going, I'd really recommend you doing that. So then it's going to show you how to install WordPress and adjust your settings. As I said, if I'm doing the hosting, I'm actually going to be setting up the host for you, so taking care of some of that. And then website categories, really important. Terms and disclosure is important. And then you can create informational articles here, product reviews. So it's understanding what Google wants for the product reviews and being able to deliver that content, right? And this is really important. So this is where it gets into, using ChatGPT to actually create the product reviews. And you can use this. And the real key with ChatGPT is, it's very much, we've heard this before, it's really, not so much about the tool, it's about how you use it. And that's really the same with AI. It's how you use it. It's understanding how to have the right kind of prompts that are going to give you the right elements. So Midjourney, Midjourney is it's on Discord, and it actually creates AI images. So this is another really cool thing. I actually just went through a course on Midjourney on Skillshare, and when you play around with it, it's really cool. So all these actual images were actually created with with Midjourney. So he's going to show you how to set up the website and then ranking within a week, right? So this is, you don't need a website that's established. As you can see here, it's already ranking for some of these long tail keywords, and that's just the start of it. You can also put it on autopilot. And then AdSense, right? So you may want to do AdSense. Personally, I find I get a lot better results not with AdSense, just from a well-chosen niche and, well-chosen affiliate products, but you can get AdSense approved. Of course, this isn't going to be guaranteed. This isn't, some guaranteed income thing, but it is really good. And this is really key, right? So you can actually get ChatGPT to write content from the first person perspective, to give them, content so it sounds less like AI. And so that's really important to do. So you can actually create multiple articles a day and product reviews that are actually going to be very detailed, that are going to, have a lot of the content, and they're going to be set up with this, the heading tags, subtitles, bullet points, all that kind of stuff. And it gives you the prompts to do that. Okay. It's also informational content, right? So this is about fishing. So again, this is a different type of site. You may want to have an affiliate review type site, or you may want to have one that's, based around your niche and just kind of build some content on it and make money with AdSense, or, by generating leads or something like that. But yeah, I have used his products before. He's a no-nonsense guy, right? It's very straight to the point. He's a little terse if you're communicating him with email. He's going to want you to go into the Facebook group and ask your questions and things like that in there. But the real key is this AI, knowing that the prompts that are going to allow you to do this and to build AI-generated sites with very little time, right? So it's going to allow you to test out different ideas, test out different niches, and I think it's really good. You pair this with, getting the right kind of domains, the right domain names, maybe even some age domains, and you're going to be in a really good spot to create some passive income immediately, right? Now, how much passive income? Well, it's going to depend completely on your niche, but I think for some people, even if, in the first month or two, you're making $30, $40, $100, $200, $250 a month from affiliate income, that's a good place to start from. And, it will completely depend on the niche. It will completely depend on that sort of thing. And of course, he's going to go into some of those, how to pick the right niches and stuff. But certainly, yeah, learning how to do this. And again, all these images on here were created with Midjourney, and he's going to show you how to do that as well. So you can create images, so you don't need to worry about royalty-free images anymore as well. So that is pretty cool. Anyhow, I'll put a link to this product, AI Affiliate Suite, in the description of the video. It's something that I really think is for the right person who wants to have these little pockets of different niches, these little review sites that are making consistent income. And if you want to leverage AI, which, I think is a great idea, this is a really good product that's going to walk you through this. Not gonna hype you. It's going to cover all the bases that you need to know in order to do that. And as I said, I'm going to give you hosting on your first site for 3 months, right? So that's going to really benefit you and allow you to get started. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and check this out. As I said, it hasn't launched yet, but maybe by the time you're watching this, it has launched, and it will only be available for a certain period of time. So be sure to click that link and get started. If you have any questions or need any help with getting started with this, if you purchase this through my link, I'll be more than happy to help you and assist you in any way that I can. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope that this gave you some value and, gave you a little insight into, here's the path if you want to do AI, create content and make affiliate income. It is something that I'm doing as well, and I'll let you know how that goes. But do check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.